Hi, my name is Mackenzie Renshaw, and today I'm going to be talking about a little something I like to call an educational masterpiece. So what I mean by that is we're going to be talking about my metaphor, which is a painting. And just a little bit of background on that. Ever since I was young, I've just loved art and being creative, and I've been able to see how creating things has blessed my life and also others' lives. And it just makes me happy, and I can see that it makes others happy as well. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So the first thing you need when you're doing a painting is obviously a canvas. Also, I promise I already had these things in my house. I didn't go to Michael's and buy them, but I just always have art supplies on hand. So the canvas is the base, also known as the doctrine. So if you don't have a canvas, you don't have a sturdy foundation to make your beautiful masterpiece on. So you need that backdrop in order to really begin whatever masterpiece you're trying to make. And then the paint represents the principles we use to teach. There are many principles, each one vibrant and unique in their own special way. When applied in a cohesive manner, these paints can create something sensational. And it really is amazing. I mean, if you just look at how many different types of paints I have, how many different shades and colors there are, and how many different beautiful things you can create with these paints. And it's just like our students as well. I was kind of thinking about how there are so many different shades of colors of pink and blue in this world, and there are so many different students that we're going to have with different strengths and weaknesses and backgrounds and personalities, and we have the privilege to be a light in their lives and to help them learn how to apply themselves and how to apply themselves in a way that they can create a beautiful masterpiece. And that's what makes it so beautiful, is that when the colors are applied in a cohesive manner, as I was talking about right here, so when the students work together with the teacher in a cohesive manner, beautiful and amazing things are going to happen. And the paintbrush represents the tools that we use. So we can apply different principles in different ways. We can also use different techniques and strokes in order to create something beautiful. So as you can see, if you went like this, that would create something totally different than if you went like this or like this. And so it's really all about the principles you're using and how you are applying them and what tools you're using to apply them. So painting and learning stretch our imagination. They increase our creativity and help us think outside of the box. They help us become more than what we once were. And then just to close, I have some quotes that I love that say, "Our schools should be think tanks and fountains of creativity. Commit yourself to each person's potential. Be a moral being concerned with defining your life purpose and helping others to do the same. Gospel truths are essential for us to understand and live if we are to become what our Heavenly Father yearns for us to become." So please join me on this journey of creating a beautiful educational masterpiece, and we can do so one stroke at a time, because I think that's really the way that we learn, is just one step at a time and through the small and simple things.